Intermittent fasting has gained popularity as an effective weight loss method. In this video, we will show you how to make the most of your intermittent fasting by incorporating green tea into your routine. Green tea is known for its numerous health benefits, including its ability to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Green tea contains powerful antioxidants called catechins, which promote fat burning and boost metabolism. It also helps in reducing cravings and suppresses appetite, making it easier to stick to your intermittent fasting schedule. Additionally, green tea provides a natural dose of energy without the jitters that come with other caffeinated beverages. Making green tea is simple. Boil water and let it cool slightly. Then, add a green tea bag or loose green tea leaves to a cup or teapot. Pour the hot water over the tea leaves and let it steep for a few minutes. You can adjust the steeping time based on your preference for a stronger or milder flavor. Finally, remove the tea bag or strain the leaves and enjoy your freshly brewed green tea. To maximize the benefits of green tea during intermittent fasting, it's best to consume it during your fasting window. Since green tea is calorie-free, it won't break your fast. You can drink it plain or add a squeeze of lemon or a sprinkle of cinnamon for added flavor. Green tea can help curb hunger pangs and boost your metabolism, helping you burn more calories during your fasting period. To make the most of green tea's weight loss benefits, consider having a cup of green tea in the morning to jumpstart your metabolism. You can also have a cup in the afternoon as a natural pick-me-up and appetite suppressant. Remember to listen to your body and adjust your green tea intake based on your personal preferences and tolerance to caffeine. Incorporating green tea into your intermittent fasting routine can help maximize your weight loss efforts. Its unique combination of antioxidants and metabolism-boosting properties make it a valuable addition to your diet. Start enjoying the benefits of green tea and make the most of your intermittent fasting.